2024, the most productive year so far. These are not the 2024, these are 2023, but let's just move on. So yeah, I'm making this video so I can like appreciate myself and just I'm actually only in 365 days and I have created almost 600 artworks over the only 1 year, and it's a milestone itself actually. I completed I never thought I will do or make this many artworks, but it's actually crazy how much I have created artworks. Okay, it's not focusing. Right. Okay, forget. Yeah, it's crazy how much I actually learn and improve over only 1 year, and 600 artworks in only 1 year is a crazy number, and I have never created that many artwork, and I'm actually nervous. I never make this kind of video, but it's let's just appreciate myself and boost my ego. These are the only like few artworks I have like stick on the wall. So I have so many artworks, but I never uploaded on Instagram or any social media platform because I never intends to do that because of AI and some other things. But now I'm thinking I should upload so I can look back at and just whenever I feel down, so I can like get just idea or just appreciate myself. Just that's it. I guess 2024 is the most productive year I ever had. Yep. And I'm thankful for it actually. And I'm excited for 2025 because now I learned so many things, and I like to make other artworks and try digital artworks more. And yeah, I want to make oil painting also and try oil painting. I don't know how I'm supposed to record this video or make. I never do this thing, so let's just end the video here.